Searching begins with movement.
Eyes travel far, believing elsewhere holds the answer. Effort grows. Direction multiplies. The path is clear, yet unseen. What is sought has never moved. When searching stops, finding remains.